Hello, my name is Benedict Dexter Santoso from Tunas Muda School in Indonesia, and today I will be presenting about my chosen IA prom, how is current knowledge shaped by its historical development. This exhibition explored the IA prom through the theme of knowledge and technology. My first object is the Colt revolver replica lighter that my father got as a gift from his foreign business partner, and we put it as a display at home. So a revolver handgun is a multi-shot firearm where the revolving cylinder that holds up the ammunition rotates to trigger the bullet through a single barrel. Basically, this gun has a simpler design which allows for easier production and obtaining high reliability in extreme environment. In addition, what differentiates revolver's popularity than other multi-shot firearms is the ability to fire powerful bullets with higher accuracy. I chose this object because the knowledge about revolver-type handguns are part of historical development of the multi-shot handgun. Historical development of the handgun starts when humans develop a knowledge about weapon as a tool for hunting and self-defense. Since the knowledge of firearms that was founded 800 years ago, it has been constantly evolving that changed the way people fight in the battlefield over time. At first, the knowledge of single-shot handguns were primarily used during battle before the invention of the knowledge about multi-shot revolver. However, due to its long reloading time and cumbersome process, making it less effective in an intense battle. Therefore, we could see that the crucial knowledge development of this object is about the reloading time, which reloading a gun after each shot is one of the main drawbacks of the previous gun model. This gives the revolver handgun a plus point that potentially overcome those drawbacks. Besides reloading factor, the caliber also varies with the design of the revolver. The knowledge about the bigger the caliber, the more lethal to the shooting target is developed along the way. The Colt revolver handgun is a good exhibition to show how is the knowledge of a good handgun are developed. Started with the knowledge regarding reloading of a handgun that generates the multi-shot firearm, which was perfected by the knowledge of caliber that gives the handgun lethal effect to the target, and the knowledge about handgun vibration when shot at an accuracy factor to the revolver handgun. My second object is my car's Dunlop pneumatic tire. Our car can run smoothly on the road despite the ruggedness of the road due to the pneumatic tires technology. Currently, this technology is used as an international standard for road vehicles. The pneumatic technology dampens the road vibration and makes the vehicle to move faster. I chose the second object as an inclusion in my exhibition since the development of the pneumatic tire is stretched back to the times when the knowledge about transportation is developed using the wheel as one of the component. The wheel is invented when people need vehicles to carry more passengers. Thus, the inventors start to gain knowledge about the wheel type, and the materials that are durable for the vehicle. The wood and iron wheel was replaced by the knowledge development of the vulcanized rubber as a wheel material, which known as solid rubber wheels. However, due to the tires were weighty and provide rough ride, the knowledge development about the air eliminates the problem of the solid rubber tires by providing expandable layer that could absorb vibrations and easily replaced with an affordable cost than replacing the solid rubber tires, which we know as pneumatic tires. The knowledge of the pneumatic tires evolved from the start of the transportation knowledge, using the wheel continued by the knowledge about rubber materials and the knowledge about air as insulation and absorption materials for the wheels. Therefore, the combination of this knowledge shaped the pneumatic tires that answer the challenges such as ability to withstand cuts, penetration, punctures, and blowouts. My third object is the Spotify app in my phone. I like listening to music in Spotify because these apps allow me to listen to a music without any limitation of physical media or ownership. With Spotify, I can listen to songs from all over the world and create a playlist from songs that I like individually to be collected into one album and can be listened to anywhere and anytime through my phone and my laptop. I choose this third object because our behavior in accessing our own favorite music has greatly developed over time. Knowledge about technological advancement has enabled us to listen music and gives us easier access to choose our own music that we like. The invention of the phonograph in 1877 by Thomas Edison marked the start of the first recorded music. Over time, knowledge regarding portability of music player is continuously developing, which result in the smaller music player that started with a Walkman. In addition, the knowledge about media format of music recording has also evolved from analog format to digital format. People are able to listen to broader range of music in a longer period due to improvement regarding knowledge that allows music recording to be digitally stored. Spotify developed the knowledge of internet platform by creating a streaming music platform that provides access to the world music by simply hitting the play button. Spotify is a modern example of the evolution in the music industry that start when human has a knowledge of analog media format and then change to digital format. Spotify's successful approach of music listening experience to a younger generation anytime and anywhere, as the company integrate the knowledge regarding the portability of music player and the knowledge about internet that generates the streaming digital format. From the three technology product as my exhibition object, I conclude that the technology product that we use now is usually a combination of long-term development of knowledge innovations. This knowledge gained historically as humans try to answer the challenges of the previous knowledge. Thank you for watching my presentation.